Long ago in the kingdom of Persia there lived a brave girl named Esther. She was not a warrior or a queen with power. She was just a girl who trusted God with all her heart. But danger was coming. A sneaky man named Haman made a secret plan to destroy everyone in the kingdom. He wrote his plan in code and hid it in the palace walls. No one suspected him. No one except Esther. One day, Esther's uncle Mordecai found her in the garden. His voice was full of worry. "Esther, the king must know Haman's plan, but you must be courageous. Go to him even if it feels dangerous." Esther took a deep breath. She knew she could be punished for entering the palace without permission, but she whispered to herself, "God is with me. I can do this." At midnight, she crept through secret tunnels. Robot guards marched in the halls. She held a glowing scroll and followed clues on the walls. Numbers, symbols, a message hidden in plain sight. When she reached the throne room, the king sat on his golden chair. Haman stood beside him, smiling with evil. Esther stepped forward. Her heart pounded like a drum. She lifted her head and said, "Your Majesty, there is a plan to destroy my people, and the culprit is Haman." The room fell silent. The king stood. Guards rushed in and dragged Haman away. Confetti rained from the sky. Music played a song of victory. Esther had saved the kingdom. But how did she do it? Without a sword or magic? Her secret weapon was faith. She believed God would help her when the plan seemed impossible. And today that same faith lives in you. You might feel small. You might see someone sad and wonder, what can I do? You might see something wrong and think I am too little to fix it. But Esther shows us nobody is too small. When you choose kindness, when you stand up for others, when you share what you have, you are using the strongest power in the world, love. God chose you for a reason. You carry light inside you. A light that can shine even in the darkest places. So today, do something good. Say a kind word, help someone in need. And when fear comes, remember, Esther, you are stronger than you think. The world needs you. Your kindness, your courage, your heart. Because even the smallest spark can light up the whole sky.